In today's video, I'm going to teach you some essential Zoom tips to make your meetings better and more effective. Let's start by focusing on what you can do before the meeting actually begins. First, it's crucial to set a clear agenda. By sharing the topics in advance, you give everyone a chance to prepare adequately. This will not only make the discussion more focused, but also more productive, as participants will come in with a clear understanding of what to expect and contribute. Moving on, another key step is to test your audio and video equipment. This helps you avoid any last-minute technical issues that can cause unnecessary stress and delay. By ensuring everything is working as it should ahead of time, you pave the way for a smooth meeting experience. Additionally, make it a habit to join the Zoom meeting a bit early. About 5 minutes should do it. This is your opportunity to fix any unexpected technical problems in a calm manner, setting the stage for a more professional and relaxed start to your meeting. Now let's discuss what you can do during the meeting itself to ensure everything runs smoothly. One essential tip is to mute yourself when you're not speaking. This helps to significantly reduce background noise, allowing others to hear the current speaker clearly. It also helps prevent any accidental interruptions. Ensuring good lighting can make a surprising difference in how you're perceived on screen. Try to position yourself so the light source is in front of you, whether it's a window or a lamp. This will help improve the overall video quality and make sure your face is well lit and visible. Eye contact is important, even when meeting virtually, so make an effort to look at the camera while speaking. This simple action makes everyone feel more engaged and connected. Additionally, keeping your camera at eye level creates a more natural appearance that can make you come across as confident and approachable. Finally, make use of headphones if you have them. Headphones not only improve sound quality by reducing echo and feedback, but also help you focus on the meeting since the audio is directed straight into your ears. By following these straightforward tips, you'll be better equipped to conduct more effective and professional Zoom meetings. Remember, preparation beforehand and thoughtful actions during the meeting can make a significant difference in the overall experience for everyone involved. Thanks for watching, and be sure to apply these tips to your next virtual meeting to see the improvements for yourself.